Hi guys, today I'm going to be talking about factorizing by grouping. The difference between grouping and taking out common terms is that with grouping, we have to split the expression into two halves and then take out common terms. Sometimes the expression won't be written in the correct order, so you will have to reorder the expression in order to be able to take out common terms on both sides. Grouping is used when we have four terms with no common factor between them all. Remembering from the previous section that the highest common factor is the largest value that will divide into each term evenly in the expression. So just like I explained in the previous section on how to factorize by taking out common terms, we have to take the highest common factor of both terms outside of the expression. So we look at the first half of the expression, 2xy minus 6x squared y, and we can see that the highest common factor of both numbers is 2xy. So by taking 2xy outside of the brackets, we divide each term in the expression, 2xy minus 6x squared y, by 2xy. If this technique of factorization confuses you, you could go back to the previous section where I explained how to factorize by taking out common terms. Grouping is very similar as it works with the same principles as taking out common terms. There's just some extra steps involved. Now looking at the second half of the expression, x minus 3x squared, we can take the highest common factor, x, outside of the expression and then divide each term of the expression by the highest common factor. So taking a look at the first set of brackets, 2xy divided by 2xy is equal to 1. And minus 6x squared y divided by 2xy is equal to minus 3x. Having a look at the second set of brackets, x divided by x is equal to 1. And minus 3x squared divided by x is equal to minus 3x. At this part of the process, you will know that you are correct if the two terms inside each of the brackets are equal. So in this case we're correct, as we have 1 minus 3x for both brackets. Since 2xy and x are both being multiplied by 1 minus 3x, we can group them into the same bracket. This is because, if you remember from my previous section on how to factorize by taking out common terms, I explained factorizing as the reverse process of expanding out brackets. And by expanding out the brackets 2xy plus x multiplied by 1 minus 3x, you will end up with the previous line. So because of this, we have factorized by grouping and we have ended up with our answer 2xy plus x multiplied by 1 minus 3x. And if you want to check your answer, you can multiply out the two brackets and you should end up with the very first line of the question. So for the second example, we have 6x squared minus 2y minus 12xy plus x. We can factorize the expression by grouping by rewriting the expression as 6x squared plus x minus 2y minus 12xy. Taking a look at the first half of the expression, 6x squared plus x, we can take out the common factor x between both of these terms. In order to cancel out this multiplication by x, we must divide each term of the expression by x. This ensures that we haven't actually changed the value of the expression that we're dealing with. Looking at the second half of the expression, minus 2y is the highest common factor of minus 2y minus 12xy. So just like what we did before, we can multiply and divide each term of the expression by 2y. Taking a look at the first set of brackets, we can say that 6x squared divided by x is 6x, and x divided by x is 1. Taking a look at the second set of brackets, we can say that 2y divided by 2y is 1, and 12xy divided by 2y is 6x. We can see that we're correct, because each bracket contains 1 plus 6x. The order of the numbers in each bracket does not matter. Again, because x and minus 2y are both being multiplied by 1 plus 6x, we can group x and minus 2y into its own bracket. Both lines are equivalent, because if you multiply out the brackets, you will end up with the previous line. So then this leaves us with our answer, x minus 2y multiplied by 1 plus 6x. Thanks for watching this video, and if you do want to support me, you could like the video and subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every week, and if you want more videos like this one, have a look at my playlists. In the playlist section of my video, I have many more videos like this one, and they're sorted out depending on what chapter you want to study. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.